A data center is really a massive collection of computers that have both computing horsepower as well as networking and storage. And the idea is that you can take data and process it in a very large fashion with very large data sets, and you can also access it remotely. So a traditional data center was primarily CPU focused, and that's because CPUs are for very general purpose processing. When you look at the leading edge data centers today, they really are a mix between CPUs and GPUs and other capability. And the reason is because we're not just processing general purpose applications, but we're actually doing some very specific tasks. That's why today's data center is really a mixture of different components, including CPUs, GPUs, and other components. So a CPU is a central processing unit, and it really is sort of the brains of computers today. And they tend to do very general purpose applications in the computing area. Graphics processing units tend to do more visualization and visual applications. And so if you think about graphics processors, they're really what you use in gaming and what you use to look at displays and those types of things. I think the biggest challenge when you look at the evolution of the data center is it is a lot of different disparate technologies coming together. And so standards are very important, and standards in both hardware and software. It's amazing the progress in the industry we've made over the last 20 years. We used to have supercomputers that take up full rooms, and now you have supercomputers in your game console. I think 20 years from now, we will have that same exponential growth, and you might have supercomputers, literally on your wrist. And that's the power of technology and technology scaling that we have going on.